Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to enable your pop-up folder option on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So are you tired of the whole screen getting taken up when you open a folder like this? Or if you don't like this enlarged version of the Samsung One UI 7.0 feature, then you can go ahead and turn on another feature called the pop-up folder option. So with pop-up folder, you have faster access to your apps by just popping it up. So just tapping on it, and this will basically pop the folder and will show you all the content in it. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So here we'll first go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, we're going ahead and opening up the Home Up module. So if you scroll down, find the Home Up module, tap on this, turn this feature on, then tap on Home Screen, scroll down, and you'll need to find Folder option. Within the folder section, you're looking for the pop-up folder, which is right here. Turn this feature on. Now press Home. And now when you go ahead and tap on a folder, as you can see, it comes up in a pop-up view. So now this doesn't take up the whole space. You can even move this folder on another home screen. So for example here, if you tap on this, as you can see, it has basically overlapped on the existing folders. You can still turn on the enlarge feature if there is space. However, you can just go ahead and tap on the folder and you can basically access your apps. So here you have a snappy and an efficient folder access without leaving your current screen. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the pop-up folder option on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.